Hi, I'm Danielle Flynn.
I'm Joel, Top Gun Morgan.
We're here at Nankin Hobby in Farmington, and Joel's playing with drones. What could possibly go wrong?
Trained professional, folks.
So, some of the history of Farmington. Founded in 1824 by Arthur Power, he was a Quaker from Farmington, New York. A lot of the communities in Michigan are named after places in New York. So much so that they actually said, you gotta quit naming stuff after New York. And what they ended up doing instead was naming a bunch of stuff after places in China instead. So you got Peking, you got Nankin. Nankin Hobby is where we're hanging out, and Canton was the only one who actually kept their original name. So there you go. I was really worried that I was going to get hit with the drone, Joel. You're actually doing amazingly well.
No. Hey, over here, Nankin Hobbies right here.
Can you pay attention to what you're doing?
They've got drones you can fly. They got RC control airplanes. They got four-wheel drive stuff. They got plastic model airplanes. They got all kinds of fun stuff. You can get a new GoPro.
Joel loves all this stuff.
If your kids are into scouting,
you're actually doing pretty good,
Cub
Joel.
Scout, Boy Scout.
I'm surprised. That's
Nankin Hobbies, man.
That's pretty amazing.
I gotta go now.
Okay, there you have it.
Woo!
Joel's a professional drone flyer, dude. I'm seriously still a little like
You're gonna chop your
the
ears off.
anxiety, man. Fortunately, yeah, Joel didn't kill me, so it's another successful video with City of the Week.
94.7 WCSX City of the Week.
Is it coming near me? Is it coming?
Oh,
Beep.